Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, select clock and tap on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus icon to add your alarm. When you're ready, set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now you can click on the switches next to alarm sound and volume and vibration to disable or enable those features. You can also click on alarm sound and volume over here, select allow in the pop-up and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you wish to set up and going back. You can also click on the same option, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner, select one of those sources like audio and pick music from your device, like that one. Then choose OK at the bottom right corner, and over here you can also select snooze duration by tapping on it and pick how many minutes your snooze will take. Then you can turn on or off feature called animated weather by tapping on the switcher over here. Take note, or label your alarm, and even click on the switcher next to puzzle lock to enable or disable this feature. When you're ready, just save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also hold it, come on, and select delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!